Guys, hello, how you doing? Karibu ama karibu tena to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Julie and welcome to the Squad of Positive Energy. Yes, like nimechapa hivi, I have spent 24 fucking hours redoing this room. So I know you want to see it. I know you want to see what I have in store for you guys, because like I gave my all. I gave all of my energy. That is why I've chapad like this. And I recorded this intro, obviously, after doing the transformation. So I know you want to see what I'm talking about. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, comment down below what you think of the transformation. And if you want your house to be transformed, holla at your girl. On my socials, I will link all the socials, my email down the description box below or in the video. Let me stop talking too much and let us just head direct to the video. So guys, I have arrived to the destination and this is what, hey, like y'all, just look at this. Ebu mniambie vile kuna kazi mingi ya kufanywa hapa. So like I am supposed to do all the transformation here. We are supposed to declutter there. I have told my friend she's supposed to declutter everything because here there is congestion. Like kuna vitu mingi sana nafaa atoe zenye atumi. Then the bed, I'm just giving you a preview of the whole room before, and I will just tell you what we are going to do. This bed, we are going to turn it like the head should face that side and the tail should face this side so that we can create more space for her here. Then like I think with me, ideas just come once I start doing everything. So let us just go. We are going to do some spray painting on some things and I'll be showing you every detail. Let us get to the video. Guys, this is kazi imekuwa ngumu but we've managed to move the head of the bed from this side to this side. Here is how it looks like. And yeah, so let us get to the decor. This is samaki. This is we have to declutter here. We have to take the whole thing and this whole mirror, we are going to spray paint it, and like this one, the whole of this place, we are going to remove the stickers and just declutter here, and yeah, you'll see how everything goes, so be on the lookout. So guys, hey, this is the clutter. I told my client to declutter. Yeah, we have to declutter. Like, she has a lot of things that she needs to let go. Even she spends a lot of time in the room, so her mind needs to be decluttered as well. So, you know, a cluttered room is a cluttered mind. So yeah, let's go to the decluttering process. I'll just show you how we arrange everything here. So bye.